guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Island Beauty and I'm back with another video. So as you can see, I have a bold look going on. Like, I love it so much. Like, y'all, like the lip, the eyes, just, you know. So if you're new, welcome. If this is the first time you stopping by my channel, you're free to subscribe and join the family. It's fun, you know, creativity A1, okay? So if you guys want to see how I created this bold, a vampy look, keep on watching and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, okay? Give it a thumbs up, okay? Thumbs up if you enjoy it. So keep on watching and I'll see you guys in the end. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in the shade MACAO. And I'm using my e.l.f. blending brush to blend this out. For my concealer, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Maple, and putting this everywhere I highlight. Using my Real Techniques blending sponge, and I'm just going to blend out my concealer. And to set my concealer in place, I'm using my SACHA BUTTERCUP setting powder. And I'm just priming my eyes with my Too Faced concealer, and I'm just gonna blend it out with my Real Techniques sponge. And I'm just setting it with my SACHA BUTTERCUP setting powder. This is my favorite palette for fall looks, my JUVIA's Place Masquerade palette. So I'm starting off with the shade BUTTERCUP, and I'm going to apply that as my transition shade. And now right where I applied BUTTERCUP, I'm going to apply Full On, and I'm just going to blend it in with my e.l.f. blending brush, I believe. I'm really patting Full On to my eyes because I want that more dark look. And for my lid, I'm using ADA. And I'm just going to apply it all over my lid and just make sure everything is blended in seamlessly. Also doing under my eyes with the same shade Ada. I'm using my Black Radiance press powder to dust away the setting powder. Contour, I'm using my Day One contour palette, my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, medium to dark. And I'm just going to contour. I do have my contour routine up on my channel, my highlight and contour routine. You guys can check that out. Using the same contour shade to contour my nose. This is my face, and to bring some color back, I'm using the Sculpt shade from the contour palette, and I'm just gonna bronze around the perimeter of my face. To let all that powder melt, I'm using my BADESCU spray, and I'm just gonna set it. And to highlight, I'm using my ANASTASIA Glow Kit palette. I'm using the bronzed highlight, and I love this highlight. It is so pretty. Like, it is so pretty. And I'm also highlighting my nose with the same highlighter. Over my lip and some of my forehead. I'm doing my inner corners with the same highlight from the Glow Kit that I used to highlight. I went ahead and I did my eyeliner and my mascara off camera. And for my lipstick, I'm using the NYX Suede lipstick in the shade Club Hopper. I love the rich color that this lipstick has. It's so bold and it just screams fall. I'm setting my face with my Maybelline Master Fix setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel. I'm at 110 subscribers right now, and I could not have done it without you guys. So thank you for supporting me and, you know, watching my videos and subscribing. You know, thank you so much. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. And don't forget, there's another video that's gonna show up right here. Like, you should check it out if you missed it. And also, if you don't want to miss a video that I post, turn your notifications on and you're gonna get notified when I post. Unless YouTube be playing their games and they don't notify you, but you're gonna get notified when I post. Alright? Bye guys.